Hey, what's up? It's Mark Terbolini, and in this video I want to give a quick status update of my remodel here. So the framing is all finished up here. So I've got a larger bathroom and a larger closet now. The electrical is all set, so I now have a switch here. This used to be a pull string light, but now I have a switch. I'm probably going to put like a pot light there and there and there. That'll be a little bit later, or actually over there. But so about 3 lights in here, possibly 4, we'll see. But is that I took out the vanity, so the vanity is gone. It's going to be a double vanity, so I'm going to order that. The toilet has been pulled, and that's just a plug or a cap they've put in there that should probably stay in there for probably, I don't know how long it's going to take, maybe a month or 2, we'll see. And yeah, obviously the tub is taken out, and going to move that light over about right to right there. So it's kind of centered, more centered over to the vanity. And yeah, so right now basically I need to get all the thin set off the ground. I'll show a video of that later, but I'm going to get a rotary hammer and get all that thin set off so I can have nice flat smooth floors for the next step, so I can start putting flooring down. And I have one quick update outside that I'll show you. So an update on the tiny house here is I have 2 large trees back here, and they're actually protected by the size of the diameter of the tree is. And I called out an arborist because I was concerned about this tree, and it turns out that it is basically on its way out, and he said he could take it out because it's going to start falling apart, and I have branches over the house and stuff, so that's going to be taken out. So I do not have to worry about that when I pipe in the water in between the trees over here. So they're going to cut out this tree down to the ground there, and then they don't have to worry about the piping as much. They don't have to like spray it out with air and kind of fit it in between the roots. They can just cut right through, which will make that a lot easier. So I just wanted to give a quick update, and I'll keep you posted as things progress. And if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.